damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. As y'all can see, I just want to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, Olivia right quick. For all the people that I knew, man, my new subscribers that probably haven't been watching long enough. You know what I'm saying? I got the stripes with the carbon fiber, you feel me? Some slight with the hints of yellow, man, with the 5-spoke. Some slight. I just want to show y'all the outside really quick before we hop into the POV, man. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? And we're finna get straight into it. Cari crew. Make sure you hit that like button. On the road to 10K. Get your butt to 10K the quick way. A nigga playing music. Bro, am I tripping? I just put a little bit of gas in my car. I don't want a lot. I put a little bit, and that bit ain't even moved, bro. I really just wasted money. That's crazy. It may just be late. Okay, it going up a little bit now. It going up a little bit. I was like, bro. I was like, something ain't right. I ain't gonna roll the window all the way now. Y'all know how I do it, man. Gotta have a little protection, man. I don't let my face too exposed. You feel me? But we're gonna get straight into it. And I'm being sport mode, man. As y'all can tell by the title, if y'all ain't read the title, man. You feel me? We downshifting in the scat, man. Straight like that. We downshifting in the scat, man. But yeah, man. I don't know what that was. I hope that wasn't me. But the whole point of downshifting. So I'll be slowing down. I'll be using the downshift to slow down. Come on, truck. Man. Let me get the camera view right. I'm playing, man. My fault, y'all. But yeah, man, we just finna be downshifting, man. I'm gonna use downshift to slow down and all that. Let's see what we got going, man. Let's see what we got going, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We just, you know what I'm saying, downshifting. You feel me? Downshifting after every stop. Well, not every stop. I don't know why I said that. I just thought about that though. But just downshifting, man. Throughout the video, then y'all hear that thing talk, man. Yeah, man. I see what we got going on. We in traffic with it, man. We're in traffic with it, man. Again, you know what I'm saying? Getting y'all that good content, man. Getting y'all that good content, man. We almost a 10K car crew. Like, it's crazy to me. I ain't gonna lie, we passed the halfway mark. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we almost less than a quarter way there, man. Y'all just keep hitting the like button, keep getting this video in the algorithm. We're getting my videos in the algorithm, bro. And how y'all do that is by liking the video, bro. All y'all like the video, you know what I'm saying? The video, at least get 100 likes every video, bro. That'll help us get to 10K even quicker than 11K, 12K, and you know what I'm saying? So on and so forth. Y'all know how it go, man. But y'all see we in traffic with it right now, man. Something slight, something cool. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. We almost did a 10K, man. It's been a good little ride, man. But I've been enjoying it, man. It's been teaching me a lot. It humbles you, it gives you patience. Even when you don't want it, man. You ain't got no choice. But hey, we almost there, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna forever be humble, bro. When I hit 10K, 20K, 30K. Car, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know when I'm gonna really feel, not even starstruck, but like, I guess like just feel so many different emotions, bro. And probably like when I get like, I don't know, probably when I pass like 20K. Maybe like getting 20K. 20K when I'm gonna feel like, when it's gonna be like that first little one, like, oh my goodness, like, okay, like, bro, they getting for real, you know what I'm saying? Getting a little real. You know what I'm saying? And depending on how steady I be, you know what I'm saying? How much y'all still rocking with me. But then, when I get to like 30K, 40K, I think yeah, 50K gonna be like really an eye opener for real. Like, okay, like, I really can do this. You know what I'm saying? I really can make this into something for real, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I am now, but like, that's really when you just be like, dang, bro, like, I don't know, like, it just gonna feel crazy to me. But anything past 20K, bro, it's gonna be like crazy, you know what I'm saying? And when I get over that, when I get to 50K, it's gonna be real crazy. And I'm like, bro, I'm really on the road to 100K. No lie, like, that's hard, bro. It's so hard. But y'all, man, y'all rock with your boy, man. We going up all summer. We going up all 2023, man. My fault. Let's see what's going on. You know y'all like them downshift, man. Oh. Now let me know how y'all feel about them downshift, man. I ain't going too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to go too crazy on the trans, you know what I'm saying? I'm a transmission, you know what I'm saying? I give y'all a few little aggressive downshift, you feel me? But I ain't gonna do it too much, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. We almost there, man. It's crazy, you feel me? I feel honored. I never thought I never stuck through with something like this. You know what I'm saying? Something this long, like, you know what I'm saying? With like, when it feel like it ain't even working at first. Like, y'all hear them flames? Bro, my car is literally shooting flames. It's fluttering. I hear it. That's crazy. And I caught that on vlog. That's crazy. I caught that on cam. Y'all heard it, but the little, when it be like that, I feel it. Well, I don't feel it in the piping, but like, you can like just hear it, bro. Like the vibration a little bit, like when it just fluttering. Okay? Like it wanted to come out, but it wasn't, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't enough. Murder that. 2012, 2011 Mustang. I just do not like them tail lights, bro. I like that favorite body style, but that's my favorite body style. But the tail lights is doo doo, bro. No offense, you know what I'm saying? They still nice. They still sound good when you make them sound right, but them tail light doo doo, bro. 2014 tail light, where it's at? On the Bell One. Them joints so hard. I put them tail lights on the new stand, but just in a newer way. With them same lights. But yeah, man. We almost at 10K car, and that's crazy, bro. When I get there, 10K special gonna go crazy. I don't know if it's gonna be the first ever, like the very first video I drop when I hit 10K, because it probably gonna sneak up on me. But just know, while we at 10K, you know what I'm saying, before we hit 11K, I will be dropping a 10K special. I'll probably put in parentheses that it's a 10K special. Or it's just gonna be a video that's real lit. Y'all just gonna be like, oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bet. It's a nice little view, man. I ain't gonna lie. Cars gonna let me know what y'all think, man. It's a nice little view, ain't it? You know what I'm saying? Nice little thumbnail. Nice little thumbnail. But I gotta hit it like this though, so I can show y'all that we're really doing it. Car crew, man, just wait till I go cat and I be holding the camera like this. Y'all see that big SRT right here, man. On the steering wheel, red gauges, you feel me? Wine, just, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, man. And my car gonna have the craziest wine. I'm saying it now. That's even with a stock air intake, I'm gonna have the craziest wine. Just watch how it's just gonna sound the loudest off of like. I'm just gonna learn it, bro. I learn cars very well, like specific cars, like this one. I know how to make it sound like people be thinking I be flooring them mud, man. I just know how to make that mud sound good. I just know the RPM, bro, and where like it just the engine open up it without flooring it or going crazy. You just listen. Same thing I want to do. Bro, do y'all hear the, bro? Those flames? Oh my, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. I told y'all Olivia shoot flames, bro. I ain't even think she was gonna do all this today, bro. Hey, man. Man, stop playing with Olivia, man. We realize shoot flame, man. I know if I put headers on it, definitely gonna do it. For sure. They already doing it now. All my tips be black. All my tips be black. But yeah, man. I hit a flame though, man. Y'all, man. I ain't gotta talk too much. Look at that WRX. That bitch so clean. And that bitch so good. What you trying to do, boy? I know y'all like when I be climbing through the gears too, bro. Cause you just hear the motor really stretch out, you know what I'm saying? Cause different gears give out different tones, you know what I'm saying, the exhaust. Regardless if you're flooring it or just however you're driving. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We in sport mode with it, man. We're in sport mode with it. Something slight, man. I ain't gonna try to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, too much, man. I ain't gonna make the video too long. But y'all, man, in person, man, this mud sounds amazing. It sounds amazing in person, car. I just listen to that, bro. Let me see if y'all can hear. Let me know if y'all can hear a little better like this. I ain't gonna put it in the wind, but you know what I'm saying, closer to the window. Yeah, man, y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. But yeah, man, That probably gonna be a wrap, man, for the video, though. Something slight, man. Something cool, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But, you know what I'm saying? I just want to show y'all, boy. As y'all see by the title, just downshifting in Olivia, man. A.K.A. my scat. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Everybody be asking. A lot of people asking the exhaust, but y'all know, man. Hey, man. I'm catless. No, I'm not straight pipe, but I am catless. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just say that much. I'm not straight pipe, though. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man. Bet y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And like I always say at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch a Cari crew. And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst as always. Stay prayed up, man. Keep your faith, man. Don't try to have negative mindset all the time, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it's hard. It's hard to keep, you know what I'm saying, try to keep in doing the right thing or just, you know what I'm saying, stopping bad habits that you used to doing that you know what I'm saying, just comfortable doing. That you don't feel like they're bad, but they really, you know what I'm saying, they is. But, you know, I'm just saying, but yeah, man. Y'all just stay blessed out here in these streets. Stay safe, man. And like I said, now the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.